7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Oh yeah. Too much. It's a trail. Hey, and welcome back, adventurers. Today we're going to be picking right back up where we left off from the last Pisgah video and tackling Kitsuma for the very first time. Unfortunately, we had to say farewell to JD here as he failed to get his priorities straight for today, but Cliff and I begrudgingly carried on in his stead. Ahead of us first is persevering through the 5-mile climb to Kitsuma Peak up Mill Road. After that, the legendary Kitsuma descent. The fun starts at Young's Ridge and then plunges 1,500 feet over 3.5 miles. Anyway, enough of that. I hope you enjoy my video.
So I just went beast mode on that climb. I'm wondering how far down Jakey is. Let's see if we can find him.
I'm doing way more climbing than I thought I would do today.
You alive, buddy? He may make it, he may not, we don't know.
Yeah, that was stupid. I'm gonna leave that in there. That was stupid. It was real dumb. Alright, let's do this. Alright. I'll make it make sense. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, I should have just did it. I should have just did it. I'm not gonna do it. It's fine. It's fine. Know your limits. I can do that though. What about that? Can I do that? Oh my gosh, I don't think I can. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You know what? My legs are toast. I'm scared of this. We'll leave something for next time. Oh, is that rollable? I think it is. Okay. All right, I can do this. I think maybe I want to go this way. Can I go down that? I can. Yeah! That was scary. I left some things for next time. Oh, he's airing it out. You. Oh, that mud scares me. Ooh, shouldn't have went over that. Little drop, rocks. Oh, this is cool. You could really fly on this if you wanted. I don't want it. Everybody says Kitsuma's really fast. Wait till you see my footage. My eyes are blurry. Tearing up from the cold. All right, this is steep. We're gonna just let her ride. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was cool.
Not ready to eat something?
You know what I want? So like about in the middle of one of those climbs, I got a notification from Felicia, and this is how I know they're my peeps. She sent me pictures of quesadilla.
Dude, this sounds really good.
It gave me stomach pain seeing the image. All right, so we did the first section of Kitsuma, completely rigid, had the fork completely locked out, and then the shock completely locked out. So this feels a lot less sketchy now. Still gonna take it nice and easy because that was scary. Oh, this looks kind of scary. We're gonna take it easy though. All right, go easy, modulate the brakes. Okay, little I'm such a chicken. All right, cool. Little thing. I guess people mostly go up there. Oh my gosh, I don't trust my skills really right now because I'm tired. As soon as you let off the brakes, boy, you just fly. That's crazy. Like, as soon as you let off the brakes, dude, you just fly.
Yeah.
Like a Super Saiyan. I'm growing in every battle. Still not perfect, but all right, we're gonna shoot here. Oh, this looks crazy. That's so steep. Very cool. Supposed to look ahead, but it's so hard not to look down. While you're realizing all the crazy crap your bike's having to put up with underneath you. This is steep. All right, here we go. I don't know what that was. Whoa, oh God, my arms. Okay, all right, here we go again. Oh, that's interesting. I was trying to say Canuga, I think is what I was trying to say. All right, let go. So cool.
I got so fast on that.
I bet you did, man. I bet it's so easy to get so fast.
Wow. That was like borderline out of control.
That sounds wicked. Drop. Drop, drop, drop. All right, we're gonna spin this one. Oh yeah.
Say, you know, I knew I should have made a left turn at Albuquerque.
I did the drop and then I went like, zoom.
Is it the one that went into to the right there?
Yeah, you could tell other people have done it too.
Yeah,
There's like a little spot between a stump and a tree.
That's exactly where I went too.
I was like, wait a minute.
I think that's just the route now.
Yeah, exactly. Now those little pointy rocks, I think. All right, I can do this. I've ridden stuff like this before. Let's let her go. I've not ridden stuff like this before. That is way steeper than that new side on MST. I let them brakes go and it was like, woo! Another drop. Muddy. Ooh, drifting. Alright. This is slick. Ooh, that's so crazy. That's just insane.
It's cool. Isn't that a great feeling?
I mean, you know what it reminds me of? Like being on like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
But scarier because you're in control.
Right. It's pulling you down at like whatever speed you are willing to allow. Every time, man. And those are like, that's like my jam too.
Alright, don't look at Will's back tire too much. Look at the trail. Whoa, he's so fast. You see this, right? Like, I am not going slow, even by my standards. I was going alright. He's gone. That's cool though, man. That's what's the cool thing about mountain biking. Like I'm back here going my speed, enjoying the heck out of it. Like, this is fun. But he can increase the difficulty for himself just by picking up some speed. And it's not like he has to try for it. He just lets go of the brakes. you're done. I mean, you could do this minus, if you walk the climbs, you could do this with no chain, no problem. All right, this is the drop. Let's, boom. Rolled it, but it's okay. Oh man, I bet I didn't get that. That was cool though. Oh God. We're gonna slow down. The other way. At this point in the ride, my legs were toast, so I began phoning it again just a bit. Oh God. Okay, that's fine. I can balance going slow. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, well, we made it. All the way back. Oh yeah. That was cool, dude. Heck yeah, dude.
That was a ride, wasn't it?
Oh my God, that's epic. I could see why it's a lot of people's favorite trail. What an epic ride. Afterwards, we stopped in Old Fort for some burgers and some fried apps. Highly recommend you check out this place. Anyway, until next time.
Shred-tastic!
Sort of had a little heart attack just now. I was like, where's my car? I was like, oh yeah, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yeah, that's how these things work.
Yeah, this is how shuttles work.